go. It's heavy HQ, rolling with the crew, moving those big loads. Yeah, you know how we do. We got the ribs, the power and the mic. From dawn to dusk, we own the night. Oversized loads ain't nothing but a thing. Got the trailer stretched out, feel the metal sing.
Alright, so we just made this short video and now I'm trying to catch him before he leaves. He said he's got enough time, so I'm going to show you around this really awesome Peterbilt 389X and a hydraulic flip axle on the Fontaine. This one's a Fontaine Magnitude, and we just added a riser kit, a ramp and riser kit on the front. So you can see it builds up the front approach on the deck of the trailer, and then it has an entire flip ramp right there. And what that does is right here, you have the hooks where the neck rolls into. They're too high compared to the normal approach right here. So that riser kit builds it up about 5 or 6 inches and then puts you level with the frame, get you above the hooks, and then you have the flip ramps right there on top to get you above it. And then I'll demo the flip axle too. So he's got a big heavy haul 389X. He said it was a 24 model, and that's Westmoreland and Sons Trucking if you need them for anything. They're right there in Cartersville, Georgia. Oh, those are nice headlights too. And I really like the Brunner Industries toolboxes. It's got the little cutout for the window there, markers, stop, turn, tail, and a work light on top, and then a light bar strobe, 360-degree strobes. Just the whole truck is just beautiful. So I wanted y'all to see that. This one's equipped with a pony motor, which I do like. The two lockable toolboxes in the front with the perforated metal down in the chain boxes. And then you can see where the hydraulics is routed through the frame all the way to the back. Aluminum outside wheels, load-bearing wheel covers, all your whole control panels built into that first bolster, and the spool valve to control this hydraulically operated flip axle is built into that second bolster. Of course, we got D-rings all the way down the side, and then here's the mechanism for the flip axle. That's Brandon, that's my lead sales guy, and then we'll do this in real time. I got the pins in the bottom, so we're not gonna go all the way down with it. But it's that easy, so now you don't have to have a forklift every time. So that's all the way down, and then he's gonna lift it back up for us. And it's a beautiful day out here. I'm so appreciative to the customer for letting us do this and taking the time to do this. Really nice guy. Really intelligent too. I was talking with him inside, and he knows a lot about trucking. And you hear some of the resistance on the way back down so that it doesn't just collapse or put a lot of weight on that hydraulic cylinders or that whole hydraulic system. So that is so cool. That is the coolest trailer ever. And thank you so much to Kenneth Westmoreland for letting me show everybody around and taking the time for me to come out here and show all our tremendous followers and subscribers this really great equipment. Guess what? It is 6:53. My buddy Chad over at Cargo Runner and his wife Allison, she's on the phone, just stopped by and they have a really cool load, so I was going to show you that. And I forgot to mention, kind of what I did earlier was pretty funny because I thought I had already started the video, so I've kind of started y'all halfway in. Not halfway in, I just thought I had more clips ready. So welcome to the show. All right, so he just got a new truck. He bought this trailer here about a year and a half ago. Doing really good with it. He's got, some great contracts he's handling. This right here is a 15-foot tall CNC machine. I can't tell all the details about what it pays, and I can't tell all the details about where it came from because everybody watches, and they're always wanting to, do things that they shouldn't to their fellow truckers. But check out this Western Star. It's a 49X with an auxiliary transmission. A bit of a herd bumper type bumper here. And then if you check out, I really like the headlights. Looks like it's got heated lenses, great daytime running lights in there, and then some of the other features around the hood have the same kind of thing. And he was showing me up on the very top up there, he's got little 360 lights, and you can take a look at the stacks, how much detail is on the stacks where they got the cutout in there. It says Western Star, and then kind of look at the dash right here. How beautiful that thing is on the inside. It's brand new. That's Cargo Runner. That's Chad and Allison. Really nice people. So you can see this is the heavy haul setup, 4-axle truck. Bruner Industries actually made that toolbox in the back. I know I'm always shouting them out, shameless plug, I don't even know them. But one day I probably will meet them. And it's got the stop turn tails in the back, brake lights, and it looks like some work lights there too. And then Bruner actually did stainless steel fenders with a black wrap, or this kind of color matched wrap to match the truck. A little step right here. Oh, and then he showed me this. It's got even the little rock guard, if you can see that on camera. It's got a little rock guard to kind of keep the fenders nice. Oh, and that's actually, it goes here, it just goes to there and then goes over. But on this front one, the rock guard, I need this on my truck. It goes all the way across. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and then the frame was painted from the manufacturer, from the factory. And it does have a wet line on the truck too. And then on the trailer, it's a super stretch, so it goes from 34 to 60 in the well. It'll have a 5-ton capacity on the frame. You can see he's even got a flip box to get more weight, just like he should, onto this truck side. Pony motor, the whole 9. And then if I didn't mention it before, it is 80,000 pounds roughly by the time it has all the cribbing. The freaking tarp on it alone is like, I think he said 300 pounds. Yeah, this is one of our old trailers. You can see it still has the mud flaps on it. Trucking makes some really nice stuff, man. And Trucking does some other cool stuff too. They have designs that nobody else will really make. A lot of other people kind of knocked them off and copied them, but what Trucking does, they do really good at. They have some of the perimeter frames, you name it. He said he's looking at getting one with 17.5 wheels, possibly, or either one of the other things. Let me show you. I'll turn you back around. He said that he's talking with one of my sales guys about making where it extends right here is roughly eyeballing it about 3 feet, and they're going to make it a little longer, so it'll give it a little more robust frame, and he's going to get it built at 70 tons or 65 tons, something like that. Yeah, that thing's beautiful, man. So by the time we're done filming, it is 6:59, 7 o'clock. I got to get up early and come back here in the morning because we have lots of projects going on in the shop, and we have lots of trailers we're selling. Plus I got a couple people that scheduled out because we're rolling into the Memorial Day weekend. And as always, y'all totally make my day. Y'all are always so friendly in the comments, and I appreciate everything you do. It's just my pleasure to be able to come out here and show you the passion that we have for heavy haul and specialized equipment transport. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, even though you're probably seeing this just after.
Yo, it's Heavy Haul HQ, rolling with the crew, moving those big loads. Yeah, you know how we do. We got the ribs, the power and the mic. From dawn to dusk, we own the night. Oversized loads ain't nothing but a thing. Got the trailer stretched out, feel the metal sing. Trucks on the highway, flexing the muscle. Heavy Haul Nation, we hustle and tussle. Precision and skill, that's how we roll. From coast to coast, we're reaching our goal. No load too big, no job too tough. At Heavy Haul HQ, we play it rough. Move the weight, we bring the freight. Heavy Haul HQ, we dominate. On the road, we stand tall. When it comes to haul, then we do it all. Big rigs, big dreams, rolling through the night like a laser beam. Heavy Haul HQ, we got the game. On the road to glory, we're riding the fame. Custom mods, blue lights gleaming. Trail King super stretch, just like we're dreaming. Every trailer's a beast, every truck's a king. In the world of heavy haul, we reign supreme. Got the team on deck, every move precise. Navigating highways like rolling the dice. From parts to service, we keep it tight. TM trailer sales, we shine the light. Collaborating with the best like trucks in the game. Marketing moves, we stake our claim. From TikTok hooks to YouTube fame. Heavy Haul HQ, remember the name.